Hey guys, I am not Megan Lambert.
I am.
But this is This Week in Richmond.
Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambert, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in Harrington Square in front of the fountain in downtown Rockingham, where this Saturday, April 22nd, SpringFest will fill these streets. Across from where we are right now, the stage will be set up with Eric Hawks performing at 11 a.m. and Bucky Covington will go on at 2 p.m. At 3:30, the winners of the barbecue competition will be announced, and there will be live music throughout the day, craft vendors, and much more, including a kids zone. So come downtown in Rockingham on Saturday, the 22nd, from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. for our Spring Fest, brought to you by the Chamber of Commerce here in Richmond County, the City of Rockingham, Richmond County Tourism, which is us, and also Richmond County, who provided the Kids Zone. Also this weekend, there's action at both Rockingham Dragway and Rockingham Speedway. Starting Friday, there will be a Rudy's Spring Truck Jam at Rockingham Dragway, and that will last Friday and Saturday. Sunday, they will have a test and tune, and across the street at Rockingham Speedway, they will have their Sunrise to Sunrise Music Festival. More information about both of these events is available on their Facebook pages and their websites for Rockingham Dragway and Rockingham Speedway. Tonight, there will be a trivia night at Axe to Grind, along with the normal schedule here for entertainment in Richmond County on Thursday nights. And on Saturday, there will be a Disc Golf for Good tournament at the Hudson Lake Disc Golf Course. This is courtesy of the Richmond County Disc Golf Group, and the proceeds will go to benefit the North Carolina Autism Society Richmond County chapter. Saturday night, after the festival here in downtown Rockingham, SpringFest, you have several options to continue celebrating. You can go to the Sunrise to Sunrise Music Festival at the Speedway, the Spring Truck Jam at Rockingham Dragway, and also DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision, and it is the third Saturday of the month, so the Sandhills Shag Club will be at the American Legion in Hamlet that evening. Next week is going to be another packed week of events with a bike night at Double Vision, the All Harleys weekend at Rockingham Dragway, and much more. Make sure to tune in and also follow us on visitrichmondcounty.com. That is our website where you can find our Google Calendar and our newsletter that comes out every Monday. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. Follow us on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and we hope to see you this weekend here at one of the tracks or the many other events we have here in Richmond County. If not, see you next week.